Hi, I'm Dandy Fulvio with Hero Managed Services. If you're a business owner in Tampa, you already know that downtime and IT issues can cost you money, frustrate your employees, and even put your data at risk. That's why today I want to talk about how Hero delivers remote IT support in Tampa that keeps your business running securely and efficiently. For many businesses, the biggest IT challenges are slow response times, recurring issues that never seem to get fixed, and unexpected costs from downtime or surprise repair bills. On top of that, cyber threats like phishing and ransomware are becoming more common every day. If your team is waiting hours for support, or worse, left to figure things out on their own, it's not just frustrating, it's hurting your bottom line. That's where Hero comes in. With our remote IT support in Tampa, most issues are resolved in minutes without waiting for someone to come on site. Our engineers connect securely to your systems, troubleshoot, and get you back up and running fast. We don't just wait for problems to happen. We proactively monitor your network, apply patches and updates, and include built in security tools to keep your systems safe. We support Windows, Mac, mobile devices, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and line of business applications. So whether it's an email not sending, a login issue, or a performance slowdown, our team has you covered. And when hands on work is needed, we dispatch quickly from right here in Tampa Bay. The real benefit? Predictability. With Hero, you get flat rate pricing, no hidden fees, no surprise invoices. That means you can budget with confidence and reinvest in growing your business instead of dealing with unplanned IT costs. You also gain stronger cybersecurity. Every plan includes advanced protection like endpoint monitoring, phishing defense, and multi factor authentication guidance. If your business needs compliance support, we build the right controls and documentation into your IT plan. Our approach is about more than solving problems. It's about preventing them, reducing downtime, and helping your business operate more efficiently every day. If you're ready to stop dealing with endless IT headaches, it's time to see how Hero can help. Schedule your free consultation today, and we'll create a tailored remote IT support plan for your Tampa business. You'll see firsthand how we keep your technology secure, your team productive, and your costs predictable. Don't wait until the next outage or cyber threat. Let's make your IT simple, reliable, and stress free. We're here to protect your business and give you peace of mind. Click the link below to get started today.